motherfuckers drop. One here, and today we're gonna be installing Windows Beta Build 10.765 on a laptop. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is get yourself a laptop and get yourself an SSD. This one we got here is a NVIDIA RTX 280 Ti SSD. It holds a whopping 17 terabytes. Looks like we need to install an operating system onto this computer because it doesn't currently have an operating system. So let's go get an operating system that we can install on this computer so that it has an operating system in order to boot off of. Windows NT, that's stupid. Mac OS, what do we got in here? Is that Windows 95? Alright guys, so we're gonna put in the boot information, the boot installation disk, boot disk's in. As you can see, it's booting. Alright, we got Windows 98, Ubuntu 10.7. Oh my god. Is that a Android 4.4 beta disk, alpha beta disk Windows? Let's install it. Alright everybody, so what you're going to do is you're going to click the F12 button at startup. Okay guys, here we are in the installation for the Windows Beta. We're going to just click on installation. Yeah, this is so beta, it actually had a live version so that you could boot to it off this Blu-ray disc. So here's our hard drive. We're going to go to create partitions and fuck it up the first time. You know what, just format it, doesn't even matter. Just format it. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Uh-huh. My ass. Oh my god, guys, is this in focus? Can you see this? My ass! No way! Actually, never mind, it can do that. My ass! My ass! Alright everybody, so the installation of Android is done, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna eject the CD. I mean, did I say Android? I meant Windows! Whoa! Is that fucking Android? Oh great, no bootable on devices. I installed it right though, are you fucking kidding me? Guys, this isn't fake. I wish it wasn't real. It's not even. It's not Steven. Okay, everybody. So it's been more than a couple hours, and we're gonna boot up the computer now. Whoa, is that a boot screen? Hey, look at that. Welcome, English. Welcome to the Latitude E6410. And we're going to start it as new. Checking for updates. Ooh, sign in with your Google account. Yeah, I'll sign in. Oh wow, how do I scroll? Oh. Look at that, you got volume. Ooh, just a second. Oh, what? Put Google to work for you. Okay. Yes, you have my permission to steal voice and audio activity. Wow. Okay, Google. Play Jirago 1. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Wow, what is that? Is that Jirago 1? How was that there? I haven't even. You know what? Let's not worry about it.
Again, and find some other Mac to put an SSD into. Enjoy your new life.
What? Where'd it go?
Loading.
Alright, so we did it. We installed Android on this thing. It's got YouTube, and oh, it's got notes. Here we go. And just save that. There we go. Hey, this is what we've been waiting for. Alright, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Oh my god. Oh my god. 420. Oh my goodness. 420. 420. Oh, 420. Oh my goodness. No, but really, I would like to thank you, Drago1, for all the content that you've made in your time on YouTube, and for all the laughter and funnies you've done over time, and your content, it's good, it's great, and I hope you keep making it, because I'll be there to keep watching it. I hope you got every single one of my little kind of hints to all of your funnies throughout the videos, and thank you so much for watching. Also, this is a Dabbit. That's a Dabbit right there. Dabbit, that's Dabbit.